Stellantis, a major player in the automotive industry owning brands like Vauxhall, Peugeot, Citroën, and Fiat, is raising concerns about the impact of Brexit trade deal terms on its UK operations. The company warns that without changes to the current terms, it may be forced to close its UK factories, resulting in the loss of thousands of jobs. The issue stems from the impending 10% tariff that Stellantis anticipates facing starting next year. This tariff is a consequence of the new rules of origin set to take effect in 2024, requiring 45% of an electric car's value to originate from the UK to qualify for tariff-free trade. However, due to the absence of battery production in the UK, Stellantis will be compelled to import batteries from Europe and China, which will lead to higher logistics costs and render domestic production economically uncompetitive. Stellantis emphasizes that these increased costs, coupled with potential tariff costs from the rules of origin, will ultimately be passed on to consumers, making electric vehicle manufacturing in the UK unsustainable. The company highlights examples of other manufacturers, such as Ford and Mini, relocating manufacturing operations outside of the UK due to similar challenges. The impact of the rules of origin extends beyond Stellantis, affecting all UK electric car production. Nissan's recent investment in its Sunderland plant to transform it into an EV hub is also subject to these challenges. The Society of Motor Manufacturers and Traders echoes these concerns, emphasizing the need for a pragmatic solution to ensure the UK remains competitive in advanced automotive manufacturing amid the global transition to zero-emission transport.